What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Good Trips Only's channel. My name's Tyler. If you're new here, we do a bunch of different type of videos, reviews, travel guides, things like that. So today we are going to be working on the 50cc SYX Moto that was delivered from Amazon. I'm going to be going over whether or not I think it was worth it, if you should purchase it, and how it's been holding up for 2 months now. So without any further ado, let's get to it, man. Is this bike worth the $300 delivered to your door from Amazon? Been riding it for about 2 months now, or I personally haven't. My little brother has been doing a lot of riding. My son has not gotten it down yet, but we will get to that here shortly. But is this worth it? Yes, 100%. I do think this is worth it. For the money, you cannot beat it. It's $300. Everything is held up very nicely. All you have to do is maintain it, take care of the things. We did lose 2 bolts, no big deal, in the back right there. I don't know if you can see, they go up top right in there. Very easy fix. I can go to the hardware store and fix that. It's not a big deal though, just from the vibrating. I went around and tightened up a lot of other things. Make sure you keep the chain oiled up. As you can see, we always store it with the fuel line off, so I always burn that leftover gas that is in that carburetor to make sure that you have a nice easy start on the following go. Alright, let's do a quick cold start. First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to come down here, turn your valve up and down so it's nice and vertical. That way you're getting fuel into the carburetor. Put the choke on for that cold start. Make sure this is all the way pushed down. Hit that a couple times. Give it some gas. You know. Come over here. Pull nice and slow. You do not have to pull this hard. I can't stress that enough. One slow pull movement, that's all it takes to start these. See how slow I'm pulling that? Give it a couple more gases. Put the choke down. Alright, one last thing. If you cannot get it started after all the steps that we did and you're storing it like I tell you to store it and it's not starting, what you can do is take a little gas hose, the one that it comes with. You come under here and you will put it on the edge of this, on the bottom of the carburetor. There's a hose that comes out. You put the fuel hose right over top of that, blow air into the other side, and it will start up no problem, guarantee. It's gonna burn a lot of oil, or you'll get a lot of smoke blowing out the back exhaust there for a second, but you know, after 30 seconds you'll be good. Just let it burn out. Make sure you're cleaning out that carburetor. That's what it's gonna be doing when you do that. But if you have any problems, you can always put a you know, drop something down in the comments. I'll get back to you. I'm pretty quick with it. But yeah. Okay, so I've been getting a ton of questions too on the gas. You guys, this does not take oil. They do not take oil. The oil is mixed into a gas. It's a 2-stroke engine, so you're mixing the gas. You get premium gas, so 93 for me, 92, whatever it is in your area, the best kind of gas you can get, premium gas. And then I grabbed this off of Amazon. You can get it at, you know, your local auto zone, whatever. They should have any good 2-cycle oil, and that's all you need. You mix it at a 25-to-1 ratio. This is the container that the bike actually comes with. So I don't know if you can see. It's pretty hard to see even for my eyes. I'm sure it's hard for the camera to see, but it's just that third line up. So you fill the gas all the way up to here, this line, and then oil until that gas reaches that line. Shake it really, really, really good. Pour it in, and you're good to go. Okay, it's not very hard, guys. Don't put, you know, straight gasoline in here. Don't put Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, leave a like, comment if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.